I completed my undergraduate at UC Davis with a degree in psychology and an emphasis in biology. And after graduating, I worked at the UC Davis Mind Institute doing autism research. I always love learning. I love continuing to educate myself. So I started taking some personal finance classes. I loved it. I took an investment class, took a tax class, and realized that this was the area that I needed to be in. I started working at Symphony in 2009 and have been an advisor for many years now. When it comes to my style and the way that I work with clients, my first priority is to really listen to them. I want to understand who they are, where they're trying to go, what's their relationship with money. I take a lot off their plate. I help minimize some of the burdens or the concerns that they're thinking. Working full time just to place trades, look at their portfolio, think about their accounts, think about cash flow, things that they don't have to do so they can spend the time with those that they love and the things that they're doing. I really enjoy having the client come back and share a story, a personal story about something that they're doing, something they've achieved, something they're looking forward to, or even those hard times, something they're going through, and just having them really incorporate me into their lives more than just finance, because I really see this as a partnership, someone that I really want to get to know, and I love it when they share things with me. By partnering with Pure, I really feel that we're going to be elevating the service level for clients. It's not only going to be the interactions with me as their planner, but also the education and the resources they're going to have that they can tap into anytime that they have a question.